Yeah, so there's some pretty general maintenance requirements that every facility should be following. Of course, there are some differences based on the type of system you have, the type of equipment, but generally speaking, we have a maintenance checklist that's pretty much applicable to every dust collection system, and it includes daily, weekly, quarterly, and yearly maintenance items. So on the daily items, what your people should be doing is basically just checking the system, a basic inspection, visual, make sure there's not dust coming out the stack, check the differential pressure, make sure that it's within the ranges, make sure there's no weird noises coming from the equipment like squeaking, squealing bearings, screeching fan noises, stuff like that. Weekly, typically we recommend some kind of weekly visual inspection of the filters, a little bit closer look at things like the rotary airlocks, make sure those rotor tips, clearances are good, check the fan balance, put your hand on it, make sure that it's not vibrating, things like that. Quarterly and yearly, it kind of depends on the equipment, but typically you should expect to be changing the filters roughly yearly, of course, depending how your differential pressure is looking, but you should plan for at least a yearly shutdown to change the filters, to inspect, if not change, the pulse valve diaphragms if you have a pulse jet collector, to do a fan balancing, to check the velocity and airflows in your ductwork with pitot tube readings and so forth. Quarterly, you may be doing a leak test of your filters to make sure you haven't developed any leaks where you're getting dust through the filters and out the stack. But that's pretty typical. We have a checklist which we're happy to provide to any of our customers that they can adapt to their process, give to our maintenance people, that makes it fairly easy. And I will say that if customers are doing that maintenance on the daily, weekly, quarterly, yearly cycle, their dust collection system should last for many years with no problems.